be forgiven for thinking that I'm actually driving in the south of France with the beautiful sunshine just through these trees. But you're wrong. Oh, I mentioned south of France because I'm sitting on the wrong side. I wanted to do this video to show you that we make a left-hand drive Indy RX5. We do a couple of left-hand drives cars. This is your standard Indy RX5 with the Mazda clocks, which are right where I need them to be. Mazda steering column with the indicators right where I need them to be. Windscreen and doors, touring pack, GT pack, right where I need it to be. This is bang on. So just cast your mind away for a minute and just think that we're cruising in the south of France. But we're not, sadly. We've just got a little bit of a break in the British weather, which is nice. I thought I could pretty much drive most things, but I've got to be honest, this is taxing me driving a left decker on the wrong side of the road. Super quiet in this car, super comfy, just can't get my head around being on the wrong side of the car. Now the reason why we built this one is because it's going for export, it's going out to France. So we've got a Mazda 1.8 engine in this car. It's just a standard RX5 with all the standard RX5 bits in it, but it's a pretty nice vehicle. I'm quite pleased with how it's turned out. The difference between the standard RX5, the right-hand drive, and this particular car is just the exhaust manifold. There's a slight change in that, but this is the catalytic converted manifold, so that we can pass the emissions in the relevant countries. A super little drive, very pinpoint, straight on the button, points exactly where I need it to go. I could probably get used to it over a matter of time, but I think if you're out in a hot country, wow, I mean that's just going to be lovely. European, Americas, it's going to be a really, really nice experience. It's super weird trying to change gear with your right hand. It just feels all different. I know you get used to it. It sort of makes me feel like I'm on holiday actually driving this. So with the fiberglass bucket seats in this car, which is again another little comfy number, and actually not too bad, quite nice. So turn the taps on a little bit. I mean, she's still peppy. That's at the speed limit. I'm quite happy with that. Doesn't take much to get up to the speed limit, even in a little 1.8. This is the 140 brake car. Absolutely smashing. Absolutely smashing. Real nice little drive, that. Yeah, quite like that. Quite like that a lot. I sort of got lost a little bit in the moment. I keep doing that. I'm supposed to give a review on the car. Comfy steering wheel. My elbow's nice. Elbow's lovely on the handbrake here. That's quite nice. Gear stick's not a million miles away from the steering wheel. Elbow's lovely. I'm not getting blown to pieces. I like it. So nice. It's a nice little comfy ride. Nice comfortable differential in this car as well. Like not a whiny diff at all. There's no overrun on it. It's just ever so quiet. Whistles. That fits well. Hopefully you can see that. We've got a surround at the bottom here underneath the dashboard. This is a surround for the fog light, and that's a dimmer switch for the what do you call that? Dashboard gauges. Dimmer switch. So hopefully you can see that. That is a dimmer switch for the gauges and the fog light from the Mazda. And they're both fitted in there, and we just basically bond in a panel, and the switches just fit straight into the panel, so it just makes it really easy for you to use the stock standard wiring harness. Like all RX5s, really turns in well, really does. Brakes are good, pedal feel. Really, really quite a comfortable pedal feel in that. Beautiful little cruiser, really nice.